How to delete your old TikTok account without email, password, or phone number. Hello everybody, it's me Smal here to guide you through the way, and to know how to do that, simply follow the following steps. Simply open the TikTok with latest version in it. Down right side you will see many options here. Tap on the profile option. After tapping on the profile option, you will see an interface like this. In an interface like this, on the top right side you will see there are three vertical lines. Tapping on it, a new pop-up will be shown on your screen. Just tap on settings and privacy in that option. After tapping on settings and privacy, tap on account or manage account, either of the option that is available on your device. After that, tap on the last option, that is deactivate or delete your account. After tapping the option of deactivate or delete your account, a new pop-up will again be shown on your screen. So you want to delete your account permanently. So don't tap on deactivate, but tap on delete your account permanently. After 30 days, if you don't open your TikTok account, then your account will be deleted totally on this 30 days. Just tap on any options, or you can simply skip as well. I just tap on any option and tap on continue button. After doing so, again, a new pop-up will be shown on your screen. Tap on by continuing your video data request and just tap on the continue button again to continue this all. Since I have connected my TikTok account with my Facebook account, so I do not need any password, email, or phone number for this. You can also do this and make your TikTok account so that you won't need any password, phone number, or anything for that. You can simply disconnect your TikTok account and then delete your account. But if you have connected it, then you can simply tap on forgot your password and send the code either on your SMS or anywhere, and just tap the code, and then you can delete your account permanently. Since I don't want to delete it right now, so I don't tap on continue with Facebook. But if you want to continue and delete it, then just tap on continue button and then delete it permanently by following the steps. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do like and subscribe our channel. For any queries or suggestions, to tap and comment on comment section. That's it, and see you on the next one.